Markets are getting ready to react to the news that the U.S. economy actually shrunk by 0.3%.
In a blow to President Trump, the U.S. economy shrank in his first 3 months in office. American gross domestic product, a measure of all the goods and services in the economy, dropped by 0.3% from January to March, a sharp fall after growth of 2.4% in the previous quarter. Well, President Trump has blamed his predecessor, Joe Biden, and said the downturn.
You probably saw some numbers today, and I have to start off by saying that's Biden. That's not Trump, because we came in on January, this is the quarterly numbers, and we came in and I was very against everything that Biden was doing in terms of the economy, destroying our country in so many ways.
The U.S. economy isn't crashing, but it isn't rising either. It's frozen. Call it a suspended animation. But this pause? It's sending ripples across the globe. From oil markets to foreign currencies, the world is reacting. So what's really happening, and why does it matter to the rest of the world? In 2024, the Fed held interest rates steady. Inflation cooled, but job growth slowed. Consumers kept spending, but savings drained. It's not recession, but not growth either. This uncertain pause is causing hesitation in investment, hiring, and trade. Globally, this has consequences. Emerging markets tied to U.S. exports are stalling. De-dollarization gains momentum as countries hedge bets. Energy markets wobble, especially oil, due to unclear U.S. demand. China and Russia see this pause as a window to gain strategic influence. Markets hate uncertainty, and that's exactly what this freeze is creating. If the U.S. can pivot to growth, confidence might rebound globally. But if this limbo drags on, global tensions, trade disputes, and currency wars could intensify. The U.S. economy doesn't exist in isolation. A pause in Washington sends tremors to Beijing, Berlin, and beyond. In a globalized world, even standing still creates shockwaves. But let me tell you, not everyone loses when the U.S. economy stalls. Defensive sectors like healthcare and utilities stay strong. Gold and crypto see inflows as investors hedge. Meanwhile, export-heavy countries relying on U.S. demand like Mexico, Vietnam, and Germany feel the pinch. Geopolitical rivals may even capitalize on U.S. indices like this breakdown. Subscribe for more global insights simplified. Drop a comment. How do you think this economic pause will shape the world in 2025?